guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are at Hobby Lobby gonna buy me a derby race car that I'm gonna do in AHG. So let's go. Alright, so guys, we're in the aisle and I'm gonna pick these stickers because I'm gonna do a Flashmobile car, so these represent Flash, and these tires because I think they're fast like Flash, and this car because it's faster than that car. And these weights to make it like fast. So yeah, like and subscribe and share if you want to, and comment your favorite part because there's going to be a part where I start it, buy it, and you know, so you can comment your favorite part. So don't forget to comment your favorite part. I'm going to say because I'm hungry. Share, like, and subscribe. Hey, so guys, I am in the paint section and I am gonna be looking for the paint I want, even though I already know which one it is. So this one's dark red, which we can't have it too dark of a red. We can't have it like that red or that red. So here's red right here. So I got the paint. And guys, if you like to spray paint anything, comment down below. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to the cashier. And yeah, my dad's right in front of me. If you're wondering who usually films, it's him right there. Yeah. And I'm gonna go to the cashier. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm actually gonna do some of it today, so yeah. But I'm not gonna do all of it today because it's getting dark. So yeah, I am. So yeah. Me and my dad are walking. Say hi, Dad.
Hey.
Okay, guys, I'm at the cashier. I'm not gonna show you the cashier because I don't wanna. But yeah, I'm not showing my face entirely because I don't want to show you other people. But stay tuned, guys. I am walking out. I'm so happy that just makes my life more happier. I'm outside. I don't know why the clouds are like that, but they are. So yeah, I'm currently walking to my car right now, or running. But yeah, we're gonna go home and then we are gonna do my car. We're gonna do half of it and maybe half of it after school tomorrow. But yeah. So remember to share, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part. All this work. It's not that hard. But remember that. Getting in my car. Yeah. Let's get in. Getting in my seat. Hey guys, welcome back to Amber's Life. And today I am going to be making a car. So it cannot weigh more than 5 ounces, including this weight, the stickers, the wheels, and the paint. And this is the car I'm going to be using. So first step is that we need to put this right here, like that. That's the first thing we need to do. So let's get started.
Watch your fingers.
Okay, so guys, my dad helped me cut out the body, and we have the weights in, some of them. Next, I'm gonna do the wood filler, and then I'm gonna show you that it's under 5 ounces. So first, I'm gonna show you that it's under 5 ounces. So we're gonna put these on first, and then we're gonna put this on. So it's 4.75 ounces, so that's under 5. And now we're gonna put this on. 4.9 ounces, so that's under 5. That's under 5 ounces. Sorry, I didn't know what you were doing. Alright, guys, I just got back from the store and we bought some more of this, and now we're gonna use it. Alright. Right here. Squeeze. Alright guys, so I'm now gonna spray paint my car. That's it. Want me to do the sides too?
Yeah.
I think it's good. Is that the imprint?
Yep.
Today I'm going to be racing my car. Here we go. Let's go. I am waiting until they call me up, and we're just doing our own thing. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.
We're good at it.
All right, on deck, we have Sophia and Owen. Ready to go. Will anyone break the 3-second barrier this day? Owen and Levi. Here comes the Flashmobile versus the yard. Come down the track, come down the track, come down the track. Woo! Flashmobile just barely edged out the race.
2 out of 2 races.
We got 8 more heats after this one. Josiah and Owen. We're on deck.
Good job, Amber.
All right. On deck, Owen and Trinity. Owen and Trinity on deck. Please Bring your vehicles to the garage and get ready to race. And another tight one. Man.
I hope you like my Derby race car video. If you enjoyed, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.